just get your brief reaction to the dismissal of the third and last drug case against Senator Lainez? The dismissal of the third and last drug case against Senator Lainez. Maybe get your thoughts on that, sir.
What further comment does it require?
Sir, it will impact, sir, yung pending vote ng ICC sa atin.
Well, maybe this is something we should show the ICC. The judiciary is working properly. All our investigative services are working properly. And former Senator De Lima has been acquitted. I don't know what further comments can there be. Dumaan siya sa paghusga. Na-acquit siya. So,
it won't change something, sir, your stand. It won't change your stand on the ICC jurisdiction.
I don't see what one thing has to do with the other. I don't think it's... she has said that she would like to help the ICC, but that's between her and the ICC. We still stay with our position that the ICC has no jurisdiction in the Philippines because we have a working police force, we have a working judiciary, and do not require any assistance